Hi Sudhir,
Hi, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
Super, sir. Super.
And how are you chilling up in these COVID times?
uh, Chilling, I'm not pretty sure, sir, but I spent time on this reading books, and I have read few real estate journals
Great, great.
and observed little documentaries.
Yeah, Sudhir, I remember those days when you came back from Australia. We talked one or two times on phone. Then you came to Delhi office, had a long meeting of almost half day, and then we started our Regrop business in Andhra Pradesh.
Yes, sir.
And since then, you people have worked really hard with the central team, and now we are almost 7 branches in Andhra Pradesh.
Yes, sir.
And all credits goes to you. You are a very nice, very awesome leader.
Thank you, sir.
I would like to give kudos to you. So Sudhir, tell us about you after coming from Australia. You what you was studying there, and what you thought about Indian real estate market, and how you came to know about Regrov and how you joined. Some story that we would like to
Sure,
hear.
sir. Sure, sir. I have a civil engineering background, sir, in India itself. So I continued the same in Australia. So after finishing my post graduation, what I thought was I want to come back to our country and become an entrepreneur. So initially, I finished my graduation in 2015, sir. Uh, Between 2015 and 2017, I have ventured into a real estate 10-unit apartment, a residential one. So then I have ample time to think about what are the gaps in the market and are we capable enough to fill those gaps. In that thought process, I found out few gaps there. So what came to my mind was the reality initially, because once we construct something, we must sell. Otherwise, the whole amount will be jammed.
Yes,
So
yes.
I thought so I have to fill those gaps with some tools, sir. But though I have civil engineering background and I know the gaps, I don't know how to solve those things. So what I observed was I have researched what are the companies who identified the same problem and solving those things. So among them, I thought, why not try with Regrok? So maybe around midnight, around 1 or 2 o'clock, actually, I pinged in your LinkedIn profile, sir, yours itself. So you have messaged my number to your coordinate, and he contacted me very fast.
Yes, yes.
That's how it started, sir. So you asked me to come down to Delhi for what we do exactly across the table. So I flew to Delhi in a week after the first initiation. Once I reached Delhi and had a meeting with you, I have decided, okay, to go ahead. That's how we started, sir. We started in April 2017 in Vijayawada.
Yeah. Very nicely recollected those details that you messaged to me on my LinkedIn, and
Yes, sir.
now I am able to recollect all those things. Uh,
Correct, sir.
that was great time, Sudhir. And when I met you, I found the entrepreneurial spark in you.
Thank you,
Despite
sir.
coming from a very, I would say, very
Rural.
deep-rooted traditional family
Yes,
from
sir.
Andhra Pradesh, and completing your postgraduate from a foreign country and coming back to India to start entrepreneurship is itself a very great thing. And I believe that if India has to grow, we have to go with entrepreneurship. And you share the same vision.
Truly, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So that is one of the best things, that you are doing entrepreneurship, and now you are able to create almost 6 7 new entrepreneurs, plus let us say 15 20 new jobs in your state itself. So
Yes.
commendable thing. So
Yes.
Sudhir, yeah, coming back to this Regrop thing, tell us about your journey in the last 3 years. Uh,
Uh, yes, sir. Sir, initially when we started operations in Andhra Pradesh, though I know what is the gap and we have tools of regrowth, but we don't know how to take into the market. So at that particular time, you and other team member, you came down to Vijayawada and taught us how to initiate the things, how to meet the builders, how to take someone to the site visit, what are the terms to use to the seller and to the buyer. So these are the things which sparked us. Okay, I mean, which created little confidence in us. After that, once you flew to Delhi, again we have little trouble in making sales here. Why? Because from the central team we are getting all the leads, but we are not in a position to convert those leads into sales for the first 6 months because we are not into sales before. Then what I mean, I put our problem before you, and you said few techniques. What was happening in Bangalore? What was happening in Hyderabad? From different places, you have taught us little strategies, and we observed what are how the sales managers of few projects are making sales. So clubbing together, we got little confidence on how to make sales here. So from after 6 months and then on to 1 year, we made 100 sales here with the
Yes.
knowledge gained from both the things. That's how we started then, sir. After making 100 sales, we thought, we discussed and we thought, why don't we spread our branches across AP? Then we moved to Guntur, sir. It became successful. Then we moved to Vishakhapatnam. It also made us little successful. Then we moved to Rajahmundry, West Godavari, and later on to Chittoor, sir. That's how we expanded. Once we got the grip only, we expanded to different places, sir. As on now, in Vijayawada itself, we are having around 110 plus types with the projects. Across AP, we are about 200 plus projects.
Great.
200 plus builders know how Regrowth does, and they are appreciating whenever we call them. Because what they think of us is, we are not charging any money before the sales, which is business friendly to the builders. So in that way, and we are not wasting their time. We are talking to the buyers, and if we feel worthy only, then we are taking them to the sites. So in that way, we are saving builders time and all the irritations or whatever hassles.
Yeah, great. It has been an awesome journey. In last 3 years, we went to 7 new cities,
Yes, sir.
tied up with 200 plus builders. But let me tell you, the journey has been awesome, but it was not easy. We had a lot of challenges. We sat together, we discussed a lot of things, and then Sudhir, being an excellent execution guy, executed things very well in Andhra Pradesh. And I believe that as the Andhra Pradesh is going, we will have more and more sales, more and more entrepreneurs coming in our ecosystem.
Correct, sir. Initially, in the first 1.5 year, I used to call you every day, and I used to say, sir, this strategy is not working.
Yes,
Then you used to say that generally our model was created for metros, so we will be changing towards type 2, type 3 cities also. That's how we changed our modulation in Andhra Pradesh, sir. I used to remember, because initially for the 6 months and 1 year, we used to have like corporate strategies. We used to deal with the builders in a corporate way. Are you getting me, sir?
Yeah, sorry, Sudhir. Sorry for the lag. Because some internet went off for a moment, but not a problem. Sudhir, you was talking about your entrepreneurship journey, that how you are thinking about entrepreneurship as an option.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm from a middle class family, sir. So, I mean, how I thought was, if I do job only, will we survive, or without doing, can we survive? That was the question when I asked after the post graduation, sir. So I thought we are not rich, sir. We are middle class family. Without doing job also, my family can sustain, sir. Then I thought, why not try something new, which I want to try. That is the seed of the entrepreneurship, sir, for me, by myself. But fortunately, it worked out, sir. I mean, until it worked out, we tried, sir, to be put it in fact.
Entrepreneurship is definitely a difficult journey to start with, but I think very soon it becomes normal, and most of the people start enjoying it.
Truly, sir, truly. Because, sir, I have done little part-time jobs and few jobs under someone, sir. I know how an employee feels, and now I know how an entrepreneur feels. So, I mean, it's like becoming big goal, gaining much confidence, or something. Whatever strikes in our mind, we feel we can do anything.
Yes.
That's how I'm feeling, sir.
So Sudhir, as I know you, you are on one side you are a very growth oriented entrepreneurialistic kind of person. So how your those instincts got gelled with culture at Regrob?
Sir, for the first 2 to 3 months, I don't know anything about. I mean, because I'm very new to the team, we are in a position only to listen, sir, because we don't know how to respond, how to adapt to the team. Because here we have two teams, as you know. I mean, online team and offline team. So in the initial 2 to 3 months, we have to learn everything from the central team, sir. But you have created a strategies or like algorithm that anyone who comes to the team in within a span of 2 to 3 months, they knows everything. So you made everyone's work very easier, sir. That's how I felt. And another good thing is, sir, you guys are always reachable, because when someone is working in the ground and when they are encountering, because in reality, it is not, if we train for 3 months, it is not going to be forever, sir. Every sale is different, every problem is different, sir.
Yes,
So,
yes.
so it's all the attitude thing. So you guide us how to think, how to tackle those problems, standing in the grassroots level. So in that way, we felt someone is there whenever there is a problem. If we have someone to support, then everyone feels they feel safety, or they will have confidence in taking forward, sir. So in that way, you guys are very, always reachable. That's what we feel. I feel most happy thing about Regrow. And second thing is people friendly, sir. So there is no irritation or why are you calling at this particular time. I mean, though you deal with pan India people, you never treated it as a old problem. You consider it as a new problem, and you have been very patient about listening, sir. So because the problem for me is new, but for you is old. So you never shown any those irritability or something like that. Then we felt, okay, you guys are friendly. And for an example, for the friendly nature, we have an employee called Mr. Rushendra, sir. He has been with us for past 3 years. When I mean, from the inauguration date itself, he has been with us, and he's very happy to travel with in the future also. So I mean, I thought it's a people-friendly culture we are adopting, sir. And the third thing and the USP about our culture is, you're creating leaders, sir. It's not that, I mean, you never hide anything with you and say you do only this, something like that. Whenever you say something, you used to reason it, sir. You have to think like this. By that, everyone is thinking like or behaving like a leader. Even not only me, sir, Rushi or whoever team in Andhra, we are having about we are having a double-digit team, sir. Everyone is behaving like a team, because I may not reach to the site in one place. I mean, as we are having a lot of people, there will be a lot of problems. Without creating leaders, we cannot go forward, sir. I
Very true.
believe you are developing leadership skills in us.
Very true. Thanks to all Regrov team for this. It's the culture at Regrov that creating leaders is the best thing for the organization.
Yes, sir.
And I would like to tell all people, because lot many people from Andhra are also here. I've been planning to come to Vijayawada for the last 1 year, and
Correct, sir.
almost every time I say to Sudhir that I want to come, he says that uh, come when I get married. So it is just getting postponed for some time. But now uh, Sudhir has promised with his parents and all the crop team that very soon he will get married and we all will go to Vijayawada
Please, sir,
along with.
please come.
So Sudhir, tell us also that how do you see real estate growing in India, in Andhra Pradesh in the next 5 years, AP Telangana region? How do you see it?
Sir, for entire India, reality is like post-corona, pre-corona and post-corona, sir. For
Yes.
me, this 1 year back itself, we have faced the same thing, like same issue with the capital city, sir. Before our CM declared the change of capital city, there used to be a big boom, sir. After that, the I mean, in Vijayawada, we used to have a lot of reality boom. After his announcement of capital shift, we lost that reality boom in Vijayawada, sir.
Yes.
And slowly, I mean, in entire Andhra Pradesh, the reality has become very dull in the past 1 year. But sir, as I'm speaking with every buyer, I mean, though the market is dull, we are getting lot of inquiries to us whether how to go further. What is your opinion on this particular property? These are the kind of questions we are getting from across India and across, I mean, wherever Telugu people are located abroad also, sir. They used to call us at least in a month. Someone will call and what is the situation there? Can I invest something like that? Sir, after researching all these things and talking to few people, I believe post Corona there will be a huge boom for affordable residential things, sir. Because
Yes.
whenever we speak to any inquirer, what they're saying is, I want to own a home for sure, because I don't want to pay rents from now onwards, because they want to own a property, but it's not like hi-fi things. They are looking between 25 lakhs to 35 lakhs. Very affordable housing they are after, sir. So I believe whoever is into this affordable residential housing, they won't. It's going to be a big boom, sir. And we are a
Very,
country of 130 crore people. So reality will not vanish, sir. It's like a speed breaker, something like that.
yes.
So, and coming to Hyderabad, sir, after this Corona, though Hyderabad is as it is having real estate boom in high, still this Corona is adding much value to that, sir, because Hyderabad is the only city where the pharma is in big presence, sir. Post
Yes.
Corona, everyone is thinking of investing something in pharma, sir. So there is lot of pharma industry coming up in Hyderabad. So the real estate market in Hyderabad is going to boom once again, sir.
Very true. Thanks for the optimism, Sudhir. Uh, Definitely, the thing which you said that India is a country of 130 crore people and realty cannot vanish. That is very true. There will be a lot of push towards affordable housing and people buying homes. That is there. Government is also doing a lot to revive this sector. They are giving money to housing finance companies, project financing. Plus, home loan is getting cheaper, so it will be very beneficial for people to buy homes right now. And even
Correct, sir.
after this Corona pandemic, people would like to have the real assets.
Correct, sir. Correct.
Yes, Sudhir. So, Sudhir, great insights about Regrov and real estate. I'll say this was a very good chat, and I will also like to tell people that Sudhir has promised me that he will exercise daily. I keep sending him a lot of stuff on fitness. He
Sure,
is
sir. Sure.
running, he is doing body weight exercises in Corona,
Yes,
and
sir.
from my heart, I would like to say that Sudhir is an awesome guy. I went to his room. Yeah, I whenever I go to Vijayawada, I live with him. He's an awesome guy, very minimalistic. I learned a lot of minimalistic stuff from Sudhir, and he's an exceptional leader.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for that.
Yeah, thanks to you, thanks to Regrop team.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks all. Yes.
Thank you, sir.